Hey, it's Lindsay with WTI, and with warmer weather around the corner, I have something I'm so excited to show you. That's this FUMOMEK 2-pack of glass containers, and these are really great for all of your entertaining needs. Let me show you why I love them so much. I was so impressed with the high quality silicone pads on either side of the glass. When you tighten this, I wasn't afraid that the glass was going to break, and I definitely wasn't afraid that it was going to leak. Such a high quality piece. I love that they gave you different size strings, so depending on what you were going to tie the name tag to, you had different strings available. Also, it came with this pen, which I thought was really cool, and this name tag has 2 sides to it, so you can flip it over or you can wash it right off and use it again and again. I really like the size of these two. We use them a lot for fruit water, and if they were too big, then the fruit water would go bad. If they were too small, I'd be redoing them all the time. But for me and for my family of 5, it's perfect size. And it comes with 2, so you can have 2 different types of drinks if you want. I love that you can go up or down with the spigot and still get your drink coming out. And the piece is just really high quality. I honestly think from the screw top lid to the spigot that gives you a good amount of water coming out, you're not going to regret this purchase. I really like the quality of these, and I think they're the perfect size, but that's just my point of view.